What we're showing here is Steinwolf's software implementation of sliding window RLNC applied to a latency-sensitive application. In this particular scenario, we are showing how retransmissions are not always the appropriate measure to achieve reliability. In this specific case, we're using a cloud gaming service where the game is running in a remote location, and what we are seeing is actually a video feed of that game running and receiving it here in Dresden at our booth at the 5G Summit. The application here requires very low latency because I'm sending control input back to the server, and the server is then sending me the video feed of the game. And as soon as we have losses, this has to be repaired, and normally this is done with retransmissions. But when the latency is high, this means that the retransmissions arrive too late for the video game. So now you can see the picture starting to break up and the game becomes hard to play. You can also see the latency graphs over here increase, and it becomes very hard to play the game. If we now turn on the tunnel such that we introduce our repair traffic into the streaming, the gameplay now becomes much more smooth, and we don't rely on any retransmissions in order to fix the packet loss.